Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Luna.
And I'm Noah. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's lesson is very practical and very powerful. We will learn 95 daily routine sentences that will help you improve your English step by step.
Yes, these are sentences you can use every single day, at home, at work, outside, everywhere.
And remember, fluency is not about big words. It is about using simple sentences again and again.
So relax, focus, and let's start training your brain to think in English.
Imagine this. You just woke up. What can you say?
You can say, I just woke up,
Or, good morning.
or I feel sleepy.
Or, I need a few more minutes.
These are real thoughts. Say them in English.
Now you get out of bed.
You can say, I am getting out of bed.
I will start my day now.
I need to brush my teeth.
Let me wash my face.
Very simple, very natural.
Now you go to the kitchen.
You can say, I am making breakfast.
I am hungry.
I want tea or coffee.
This smells good.
Say it again, this smells good.
Now let's build a small conversation.
Good morning, Luna. How are you?
Good morning, Noah. I feel a little sleepy.
Same here. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. I just need coffee.
That sounds perfect.
See, this is natural English.
No difficult words, just simple sentences.
Now let's learn some vocabulary from these sentences.
First word, sleepy. It means you want to sleep.
Example, I feel sleepy.
Second word, hungry. It means you want food.
Example, I am hungry.
Third word, smell. It means how something feels in your nose.
Example, this smells good.
Fourth word, start. It means to begin.
Example, I will start my day.
Now, say these sentences with us.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
This smells good.
This smells good.
I will start my day.
I will start my day.
Very good. Keep repeating.
Now, let's do question and answer practice.
Are you sleepy right now?
Yes, I am a little sleepy.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Great. Keep your answers simple and clear.
Now, let's do shadowing practice. Repeat after us.
I wake up early every day.
I wake up early every day.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I get ready quickly.
I get ready quickly.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
Excellent. Now let's move to going outside.
You can say, I am leaving the house.
I am on my way.
Where are my keys?
I am getting late.
These are daily routine sentences.
Use them every day. Now, imagine you meet someone.
You say, hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Nice to see you.
How is your hay?
Simple and natural.
Let's repeat some key lines.
I am on my way.
I am on my way.
I am getting late.
I am getting late.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
How is your day?
How is your day? Amazing work.
Remember, small sentences create big results.
In the next part, we will continue with more daily routine sentences for work, travel, and evening life.
Stay with us and keep your English flowing naturally.
Welcome back. Let's continue learning more daily routine sentences.
Now we move to work or study life.
You can say, I am starting my work.
I have a lot to do today.
Let me finish this first.
I need a short break.
Now a small conversation.
Luna, are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
Can you help me later?
Yes, I will help you after this.
Perfect.
Now vocabulary time.
Busy means you have work.
Finish means to complete something.
Break means rest.
Help means to support someone.
Now repeat with us.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I will finish this.
I will finish this.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I will help you.
I will help you.
Great job.
Now let's practice Q&A.
Are you busy?
Yes, I am busy.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Do you need a break?
Yes, I need a break.
Excellent.
Now shadowing practice.
I complete my work on time.
I complete my work on time.
I stay focused.
I stay focused.
I take short breaks.
I take short breaks.
I do my best every day.
I do my best every day.
Very nice.
Now let's move to evening routine.
You can say, I am back home.
I am tired.
I want to relax.
Let's watch something.
Small and simple sentences.
Now conversation.
Noah, how was your day?
It was good but tiring.
Same here. Let's relax.
Yes, let's watch a movie.
That sounds nice.
Now let's repeat key sentences.
I am back home.
I am back home.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I want to relax.
I want to relax.
Let's watch something.
Let's watch something.
Amazing.
Now let's build confidence.
Say this with us.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
I will keep practicing.
I will keep practicing.
Feel the confidence in your voice.
Now, before we finish, remember this.
You don't need perfect English.
You need daily English.
Use these 95 sentences every day.
Speak them, think them, repeat them.
And slowly, your English will become natural.
Thank you for learning with Easy English Flow.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking
and let your English flow.
naturally.